I got black, I got white, what you want? Hop outside a ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow, oh, oh, when you done. They try to take my flow, I take their ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone, they see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twin Glocks.
H-back. Zach, the football player. Tyler.
Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
Is that good?
100%.
Oh my god!
What?
I said, I am what I eat.
You said what?
I said, I am what I eat.
Are you? Is this on? James,
James, I think you both. Emma, what?
oh yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Guess who bold? Guess what? Nah, I'm bold. Too late. You took it. I mean, you said it.
I didn't know it was bold like that. I was thinking bold like you say what you feel.
I know that.
Let me see the damn camera. It's game day. It's game. Oh my god.
Yes.
It's game day.
I'm on YouTube. I'm famous on YouTube.
You're on what?
You posted a lot.
Am I in it? Oh!
Alright, go to white.
Excuse me.
Go to white people. Oh yeah. White people update. White people don't want to end up. No.
Let's go, boy.
Don't want to end up. Who we take? $10? Oh, damn. You good, bro? You good?
Oh, fuck, brother. I'm gonna fuck, brother.
Take pictures? You vlogging now? You vlogging now? Yeah. Bruce, let me see what you got, bro.
Bread.
Goddamn, bro. Goddamn.
What's your YouTube channel again?
Sea Breezy 10.
Sea Breezy 10?
Sea Breezy 10.
Dumbass motherfucker.
Back. And she missed the bus.
I did. I was running. My mom pulled me out of the car and I started sprinting to get to the bus. And then he shut the doors and I was like, no.
She turned out crazy. She said, you're gone. Not
I want
having
to see your shorts. See y'all. My shorts. Or your shorts that I need.
Ain't this his name?
You did not. Lauren,
Oh,
They were on the thing.
Lauren in trouble.
Katie. I am so sorry. Maybe they're in this one. I love you.
what did you forget?
Her shorts. Actually, my shorts that she was supposed to wear.
What?
I don't have any shorts now, Lauren.
Oh my.
Your mom reminds you. I remind you. Your
My
phone
mom
reminded you.
is dropping me off at my house. I will give them to her and stop at Magruder. On your way there. She's coming.
hold up.
I'm going
What
home
shorts?
at 11:30. I will give the shorts to her and she can have them at Magruder.
My mom is not going to take me out.
Which is right
Right when I get home, I am leaving.
And then leave the way to Magruder.
You think Christopher is going to stop by Magruder? No. No. Maybe not. How the fuck is a trash can? There's no trash can.
It's a great friendship. It's a wonderful friendship. They were on my...
To go. You don't know how fast that shit happens. I didn't even know it was myself. Matty P. Seen my... Oh, shit. Huh? You're...
Okay. New day, new me. It's a Friday. I get to go home. That's it. Like,
Yep. Weekend. You already know how it's acting. You're...
Make some noise.
Boom football game.
Temperature's right.
Yes, it is. Good.
Crowd is right. Team is right. Fans, are y'all ready?
Yeah! Hey, they're right there. 7 times.